welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing an everyday makeup look, something fast, something easy. You guys were asking for it and I was like, let me do this. Yeah, I had fun making this video. It was fast, it was easy. Now I'm actually ready to go clean the house. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like it, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Today, like I already said, we're gonna be doing an everyday makeup look. And honestly, I know I don't do this every day because I'm usually just home not doing anything, and I just don't do my makeup when I'm home. But I know a lot of you guys work and stuff like that, and you need something like fast and easy to, you know, do to go to work and stuff like that. Sometimes I just want to get ready, you know, and even if I'm gonna be home, not all the time, but sometimes I just want to get ready and look a little put together. So this is something that I would do for an everyday look. It's not gonna be nothing crazy. It's gonna be something fast, quick, and easy. So yeah, and I think now that I realize, I think most of the things I'm using are from the drugstore. So it's even better because I don't know you guys, but me, if I'm gonna be wearing makeup every single day, you know, makeup is expensive. Like high-end makeup, probably, I don't know what, for like a special occasion or something. So yeah, let's get started. I already prepped my face, so now I'm gonna jump in right into foundation. The foundation I'm gonna be using today, it's the Maybelline Fit Me. This foundation has been one of my favorites for years and years and years because I love it. It's just amazing. I love it, and I like it for like an everyday look. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna put it like in the back of my hand since it doesn't have a pump, and then with my finger I'm just gonna dot it like all over my face. And I forgot to clip my hair back because I cannot do my makeup when my hair is like all over my face. So right now when I'm done with this, I'm gonna clip my hair back. Now I already have my clip right here because I know me that I cannot do my makeup if my hair is in my face. So now I'm gonna go in with my little sponge, the Makeup Shack sponge, and I'm just gonna blend it out. It's not like a full coverage foundation, but it works amazing. You can always do more layers, which is something that I usually always do. So I'm probably gonna add a little bit more right now. Just gonna blend it out all over my face. You guys were asking me for an everyday look, something fast, something easy. So I was like, hell yeah, I want to do that. Who doesn't like easy and fast, right? So now I'm gonna add a little bit more. You guys, the kids are gonna go back to school already, and I don't want to sound mean, but I'm a little excited because I'm gonna have so much time to record videos and stuff like that without the kids being in the background and noise and all of that. It's Mia is gonna go to kindergarten and I want to cry. She's my little baby, but I'm so excited for her and she's so excited too. All right, so now I'm gonna do concealer, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind one. I really like this one, and it's not like a super full coverage concealer. It's something that I like to wear for like an everyday. I'm just gonna blend it out with the sponge. So now I'm gonna set everything with my Earthbound setting powder. And this usually I do it really fast. Just right now that I'm like talking to you guys, it's taking a little bit longer. Now I'm gonna grab my little e.l.f. brush and set my nose. And now I'm gonna go with my big chunky brush to set my entire face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the brush that looks like this. I always forget the name of this brush, but I'm just gonna blend everything out. Actually, not blend everything out, more like try to get rid of like the excess powder. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna use a NYC Sunny Bronzer. The one I always use all the time. You guys, I'm so excited to start doing like fall decorate with me, Christmas decorate with me, because I have a pumpkin obsession. I literally have a pumpkin obsession. I buy pumpkins and buy more pumpkins, and even if I don't need any more pumpkins, just keep buying them and buying them and buying them. And for Christmas, oh my god, you guys, Christmas is like my favorite holiday. Like, I go all out. So I'm really excited to do all these holiday videos and stuff like that for you guys. Hopefully the next video I do, it's my decorate with me in my living room, because like I told you guys, we just bought the house and I have been buying stuff little by little and trying to decorate little by little. So the first room that I'm trying to finish, it's my living room, and I almost have everything. Well, I literally have everything already. The only thing that I need right now is my little side tables, and that's it. So hopefully after this video we can do the decorate with me in my living room, because I'm really excited for that one. I went to the stores the other day and they already have so many pumpkins, they already have so much things. They even have Christmas stuff already, which I think it's a little crazy, but it's so fun to look at. Now I'm just adding a little bronzer to my big ass forehead. Try to hide it a little bit, and then I'm gonna kind of blend it out. And since it's an everyday look, something fast and easy, I'm not gonna contour. I'm just gonna do the bronzer and blush, and that's it. So now I'm gonna go with the blush, which is the Milani, like I told you guys, Luminoso. You guys are always gonna see me use this one. I like to like bring it all the way back here. Like, I just do. I'm gonna go again with my bronzer brush and like blend everything together. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Okay, so for my eyebrows, last time I used an eyebrow pencil, but since this is gonna be a fast look, I'm just going to use the brow powder. And this is literally the only thing that I don't use from the drugstore, because I don't know, I just have never found a good eyebrow powder from the drugstore. If you guys know of a good brow powder from the drugstore, let me know. So I'm using the same Anastasia one that I have been using, and I'm using the color Caramel. Oh, let me tell you guys the colors that I use for my foundation and concealer and all of that, because you guys are always asking. So the foundation, I use the 120. Concealer, it's Ivory. That's the color. And for the eyebrows, I'm using Caramel. And no matter what, even if it's a fast, easy look, something fast, I always have to do my eyebrows, because my little hairs are really light and you can't even see them. So I just can't do my whole face and not do my eyebrows, because I look really scary, as you guys can see. I don't go so crazy though. I do try to do them a little bit more natural than what I usually do. So I lined it from the bottom, and then now I'm filling it in just with the brow powder. Now with what's left with on the brush, I'm just gonna bring it to the inner part of the eyebrow. I don't wanna add any more since we are going for a more natural look. So this eyebrow is, I keep dropping things. This eyebrow is almost finished. And I'm gonna do the other one. And I'm so shaky. I'm drinking coffee and I haven't eaten. So I'm really shaky. And now I'm gonna clean them out. And I'm gonna use the CoverGirl concealer. And I'm not even gonna try to do them all perfect because ain't nobody got time for that when you have to do your makeup every day, right? And like always, I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna blend it out with another brush. As little by little, I'm learning how to fix my camera, how to fix the lighting, how to not be right here or not be down here. I'm really trying for you guys, really trying. Eyebrows are finished. Now I'm gonna use the setting powder to just set the concealer. Okay, so the face is finished. And today we're not gonna be doing any eyeshadow because fast and easy, right? So I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow because if I'm in a hurry, if I have to get ready every day, I don't want to do my eyeshadow. So I don't. The only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some lashes, and we're almost finished. Oh, so now you guys know I set my face before mascara and lashes. So I'm gonna use my Fix Plus. That is almost finished. Okay, so now after the Fix Plus, I'm gonna do my highlight. I wanna make sure that my face is not like completely wet because then it will be a mess. But not completely dry because I don't want it to be completely dry either. ¿Quién me entiende, right? I don't want it really wet and I don't want it really dry. Yo nomás me entiendo sola, yo sola me entiendo, okay? Okay, and once again, I'm gonna be using the Becca Champagne Pop highlight. Now, I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and add some mascara. I'm gonna add the mascara. You can even leave this look without adding fake lashes. Just mascara and you're good to go. But just because it's the video, I'm gonna do eyelashes. You guys, I think I'm getting better at this. I feel more comfortable. I'm like talking to you guys. I'm not nervous anymore. I feel so much better now. I don't know why I didn't start sooner. Why was I scared this whole time? Why? I'm just gonna wait for the mascara to dry so I can clean it from here where I messed up. And I messed up a little bit right here in the top too, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. They're super cute, but guess what? The box is clear, no name, anywhere. Oh my god, I know. Why am I like this? You guys, what did you guys think about my lentejas recipe? I got a lot of messages from you guys that were making them, and a lot of you guys said that you loved it. So let me know if you tried the lentejas recipe. Let me know in the comments. I want to know, and let me know if you liked it. Let me know if your kids liked it, if you have kids, your husband, your boyfriend. I want to know because I'm so proud of that recipe. Alright, so now I'm just gonna wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky so I can apply them. I always have trouble with this eyelash. From the inner corner, this one siempre se me despega all the time, and I freaking hate it. The other day we went out and my freaking eyelash was coming off, and then my husband goes like, "Hey, se te está despegando la eyelash." I'm so mad, like, I know, don't tell me, I already know. He was being nice to me, telling me that my eyelash was coming off, and I'm all mad. I know. Looks really cute. Now I'm gonna add mascara to my bottom lashes. What we're gonna do next is my lips. I'm gonna be using the same lip liner as always. Jordana. How do you say it? Jordana? Oh, Rock and Rose. Oh my god, you guys can probably hear my tripas. I'm so hungry. And I'm gonna use the same lipstick, Maybelline 915. And same gloss, Revlon 205. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of brow gel. Okay, so we are finished with the everyday makeup look. Something fast, something easy. I promise this takes me like 15-20 minutes max, and I'm pretty sure if you guys don't do eyelashes, you can probably do it even faster. So really fast, really easy. You look put together, you look good, you look nice. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I had fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.